Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert.
Hey everyone, today we are going to make a super simple LED musical light circuit. We actually built this circuit before back then. It ran on a 3.7 volt battery and used a small 3mm LED. But this time we are upgrading it to something brighter and cooler. In this new version we will be driving a 12 volt LED strip, and you can even use it to power a 12 volt LED bulb if you like. To handle the higher power, we are using a BD140 PNP transistor which can deliver up to 1.5 ampere of current. That's perfect for small LED strips, but if you want even more brightness or need to run a longer LED strip, you can switch it to 2N2955 power transistor, which is also a PNP transistor, and this 2N2955 is the complementary transistor of 2N3055, which can handle up to 15 ampere. Just make sure to slightly reduce the base resistor value so that the transistor gets enough drive current. This simple upgrade turns our little musical light project into something way more powerful, ideal for decorating your room, your desk, or even your next party setup. If you want to control a 230 volt AC load like big bulbs or lights, it is better to use a triac such as the BT136 instead of a power transistor. A triac is an electronic switch that can control AC power easily and silently, unlike relays which makes a tick tick sound every time they switch on or off. A triac works without any noise, making it perfect for places where silence matters, like when listening to music or in a smart home setup. Triacs also last longer since they do not have any moving parts, and they can switch faster and more efficiently.
Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert.
If you believe that this video is helpful, then please click like button and also share this to your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.